This car named Grave Digger.
Kahit Tagalog, pwede rin.
Ito ang baby bear. The brother bear. Shaggy.
Pakita mo yung mukha niya.
This is Shaggy.
Like you, Shaggy.
Zoink. Zoink.
And
this is the father in the Incredible.
father, ano?
Father in the Incredible. This is my electric fan. Battery operated fan, hindi electric fan. Masigandang
Certificate.
And in Chevalier School. This is my certificate in the Chevalier School. I am in grade 2.
Prep.
I am in prep.
Primary 6.
This is my picture. My beautiful picture. Akin yan na akin to eh. And this is my rosary. And these are my pictures and books. Marunong sa is R. Ito, akin yan eh. Akin yan eh. Ako nakakuha niyan. Kahit na akin.
And
this is my cell phone. This is my wallet. Ito ang sobrang
wala na.
Ito ang lalagyan ng mga tape.
Si
Tape or seed. Yung regalo ng kinder. Ito yung regalo ng kinder pa ako. Si Kuya Ren, ako, si Ate Thea. Ang pinakamaganda.
Ang pinakapangit.
Si Kuya, itong si Kuya Ren, baboy. Itong si DJ Pogi. Tapos si Ate Thea, pangit.
Na. Ano masasabi mo sa kwarto mo?
At ito pa yung box kung walang laman. Yung sila namin. At ang tissue box. Tissue box. Tissue bilog. At ang gandang set ng inupuan ni Ate Juby, siniran ni Kuya din.
Iyak na yan.
Ano ako? Ano figures mo tayo? Dito pa. Yung
Okay na.
malaki ng bear.
Kanina iya ka. Ngayon ayaw mo nang pa.
And these are our bear. Me and Kuya din. The end.